Florida Orthopaedic Institute, the leading provider of outpatient total joint replacements. Until recently, joint replacement surgery has been an inpatient procedure, carried out in the hospital needing overnight stays. For select patients, our surgeons perform these procedures on an outpatient basis, thanks to improvement in surgical techniques, as well as anesthesia, pain management, and joint replacement implant technology. Our surgery centers at North Tampa and Citrus Park offer same-day outpatient surgery with the latest in cutting-edge medical equipment and surgical devices to perform the most effective techniques. Our fellowship-trained and board-certified physicians are nationally recognized experts and have done more outpatient hip and knee replacements than any other facility in Tampa Bay. With over 14,000 outpatient procedures, our surgery centers are transforming the outpatient experience by providing a more convenient alternative to hospital-based operations. Recovering in your home is easier than an in-hospital stay. There are no hospital room charges or related charges, so costs are much lower. Some insurance companies only cover certain surgical procedures on an outpatient basis. Most outpatient surgery is less stressful than inpatient surgery. Since procedures are less complex and more routine, surgery centers are better able to stay within a set schedule. Typically, there's very little wait time to get your procedure scheduled. The surgeons, nurses, and facility specialize in your outpatient procedure. Unlike a hospital, you don't have to share your room, nurse, or operating room. Equipped with the newest high-tech medical equipment and the most advanced surgical tools available. Our surgery centers offer you the convenience of having procedures safely performed outside of a hospital setting, improving both quality and customer service while reducing costs. Ask your physician if outpatient surgery is right for you.